The best way to get your child to start brushing and flossing is starting them young. I always tell parents, even though they have gaps in between their teeth, make sure you floss their teeth. Because now that they're little, they're getting used to this habit. When they get older, no matter what you do, what you tell them, they're not gonna listen. So you could tell them to floss 20 times a day, they're not gonna do it because you didn't get them into this habit of flossing regularly. So what I do with my kids at home, I have a 6-year-old and a 2-year-old, every night and every morning, brushing and flossing. They don't want it, too bad, it has to be done. Sometimes they refuse. My 2-year-old gives me a very hard time brushing and flossing, but it happens, there's no way. And getting her to floss now, when she's older, she's gonna say, oh, this is something my mom always does. So she's gonna keep on doing it. So my recommendation is start young.